Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to personalize notifications on your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. First, let's open the Settings application and then navigate down to Notifications and Status bar. Then here, we can select one of the three places where notifications appear, and for each of these places, we can customize some settings. For example, in lock screen notifications, we can change the format of the notifications we see on the lock screen. So either the notifications and the content, or notifications and hidden content, or if you want to, you can disable notifications on lock screen totally. Below we can see the list of applications that are allowed to show us notifications on the lock screen. If you want to add some of the other apps to this list, just select them below and switch the toggle to the right next to Show Notifications option, and then this application will be moved to the list. Now, for both floating notifications and badges, we will also see the same list of apps which can be allowed to be shown in there. But for floating notifications, we can also change the temporary hiding of the notifications, so either for 1 minute or until locked, or not hide notifications at all. Now below we can also select the apps for which we want to show us notifications. To make an application show you notifications, just switch the toggle to the right next to it in this menu, and you can also select each particular application. Then select where you want the notifications for this app to appear, and also which effects do you want to allow for this app, which effects you want to disallow. So for example, if you don't want a particular app to send you sound or vibration notifications, just switch the toggle to the left next to these two options. Now, the last thing we have here is the notification style, and we have basically two styles, either the Android style or a classic style. Just select which one you prefer and go with it. And that's basically it for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.